Hello students, in that problem the potential difference is 2 volt is applied between A and B. Okay, and we calculate the first of all equivalent resistance between A and B, and second current in AFCEB and AFDEB. Okay, first of all we traced the point A and B. Okay, then we see A point and F point, E point and B point, and potential difference between A and B is 2 volt. Okay, that point is C and that point is D, and we can see D and E between 2 ohm, D and E between 2 ohm resistor. Okay, F and C between 2 ohm resistor, F and C between 2 ohm resistor, D and C between 2 ohm resistor, D and C between 2 ohm resistor, D and F between 2 ohm resistor, D and F between 2 ohm resistor, C and E between 2 ohm resistor, C and E between 2 ohm resistor. Now it is a balancing Wheatstone bridge case. Okay, R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. Balancing case condition is R1 by R2 equal to R3 by R4. Then 2 by 2 equal to 2 by 2. So resistor connected between C and D is removable. That is not workable. Okay. So we remove the resistor 2 ohm. Okay. So 2 ohm resistor is removed, and diagram is redraw. 2 ohm resistor C and 2 ohm resistor D and F and E and. Okay, A and B and 2 volt potential difference 2 volt. Here we can see 2 ohm and 2 ohm resistor in a series combinations. Okay, series combination. So R equivalent dash equal to R1 plus R2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 ohm. Also 2 ohm and 2 ohm is series combination. So R equivalent double dash equal to 2 plus 2 means 4 ohm resistor. Now diagram also we redraw. Look like 2 volt potential difference, 4 ohm and 4 ohm. Both resistors in parallel combinations. Okay, parallel combinations. Then R total equal to R1 into R2, so 4 into 4, R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, 4 cut by 8, 2 and 2 means 2 ohm resistor. Okay, then R equivalent equal to 2 ohm resistor. First case is solved, and second, the magnitude of current in arm AFCEB means AFCEB means current in that part and current in that part. Okay, here 4 ohm and 4 ohm in parallel combination. So potential across 4 ohm and 4 ohm, potential across 4 and 4 ohm is 2 volt. So current in 4 ohm according to Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. So V equal to 2, R equal to 4 means 0.5 ampere. Okay, and current in a also 4 ohm, I 1 and I2 means I1 and I2 equal to V by R 2 by 4, again 0.5 ampere current. Okay, so we can say the current in A F C E B is 0.5 ampere and current in A F D E B also 0.5 ampere. Okay,